Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon, January 2019. I'm Gary.Christiance, but you know me, of course, as the van guy. Today we've got a new model, a 2019 on a 2018 chassis. Very important because the next one's coming out at $10,000 more. Let's take a look at this brand new model, Coachmen Galleria. It's the A model. It's got a little stand here, put a table. It's got a for your TV to go here, cable hookup, 12 volts, chargers. Got a nice grabble handle here, screen door. Come on in, let's take a peek. We'll start in the rear of the unit. So this has got twin beds in the back. I've raised up this side and it's operated on a motor system. So you can vary what height that you want it. Makes it really easy if you want to come back in here and watch this TV. And your other controls on this side for this one. And up above, lots of storage. There's your DVD player for your TV. All self-closing. Cabinet doors. Big one here in the back. This little hole down here, you know what that's for? You in the back? That's for a CPAP hose. That's correct. I use one, so I know what that is. You can run your air hose and your cord down through that hole. You got your machine up above out of the way. Makes it nice and easy. So right here, laundry basket, that's where you put the clothes. Easy to get to your fuses and circuit breakers, they're down here. Propane detector. This is a compressor refrigerator, which is up on top. And then down below, that latch needs to be, that's your freezer compartment down there. Come over here and take a look at these shelves for me, please. So it's a closet. It's got adjustable and removable shelves. It has two drawers down below. They're self-closing as well. This is the cherry interior. Nice deep storage area there. As long as we're on storage. Solid surface countertops. And Forest River offers an interactive app form where you can get all the information, questions about your unit on the road. Just click on the app and you can get all those answers anytime, anywhere. Flush mounted sink, steel, solid surface for your cover, and garbage can. A spot maybe for another one. It's got insulation back in here. All your water lines are inside. They are self-closing, but you need to push them to lock them for travel. You have lights down below. This is a little tip out, little flat out drawer, but here's your power, here's your lock. And then convection microwave. Solid wood all the way throughout. Big faucet, plenty of room to put big pots in if you want. Nice big shower area. There's one seam in here that you have to do maintenance on. And that's right there. That's the only seam you need to be concerned about. And stop wasting your water. So this has got a water system where you can turn on the hot water and it recirculates the water until it gets warm, and then an indicator comes on and then you turn water on, so you're not taking all your good water and just running it through the system. It's a very nice saver of water, especially for those who are dry camping. And of course, your shower nozzles here out of the faucet. And a towel rack. Covered the fantastic fan up on top. So this is an A model. Currently this one's offered with the front lounge area for a nice workspace. That means there's other options. You can get another chair in here. There's some other options. This is brand new, it just got in here. Again, nice slide out drawers. And let's see. When you're using your laptop or you're working, you have access to your storage space when the seat's turned around. There's a power outlet right there at the end of the counter too. So as you can see, you can put, there's a nice workspace, plenty of workspace in here to put your laptop or whatever you want. The control panel's right here. It's got different screens that you can do. Right now I have the master light on. I can run the awning. You can switch through them, check all your holding tanks, and there's also one in the back. So we've got two TVs. The seats are very comfortable. And let's take a peek outside. I'm going to hit the disconnect switch real quick. Everything's turned off. Power awning, electric. Has a wind sensor. This has got Truma heating for the water and for the heat. This is your exhaust. It's very low temperature, not a concern for getting hurt. 110 outlet there, aluminum wheels. If you step around the corner here, backup camera's up on top. This is a magnet if you open the door all the way. Heavy duty out marine grade exterior material here. It's really durable, cleans good. See all your storage area down here? It's got a little bay over here. It's got 3 over on that side, and this big, huge area. How many sets of golf clubs, how much scuba gear, wetsuits can you put in there? I think enough for 2 people, or maybe if you had the 3rd seat, you could fit 3 sets of clubs. It has a lot of storage. Trailer hitch, towing rate, 5,000 pounds. Already has a brake control. Short cord gets plugged in here. Your outlets for your hookups are in there. And your dump station's down below. There's your generator, exhaust. It runs on propane. Nice flush mount windows. Power mirrors, windows, locks, cruise, tilt, collision avoidance system, and behind this small door is where your fuel is filled, and you don't have to worry about somebody tampering with it. Sure, you have questions. Well, who are you going to call? Ask for the van guy. My email's on the screen. My number is 541-554-9581. I appreciate your time.